everybody, it's the 28th of November. Had a busy morning so far, had to do some social media, and we sold a bike. We sold a BMX. One we sold was, I've got it in somewhere, but it was one of the BMXs we sold this morning. I've still got a really sore throat, really sore. So let me show you Kessingham this morning. Gorgeous blue skies, looks like a summer's day, but it's about 3 degrees, it's freezing. So I've got a really busy day. I've got 3 bikes to check over and sort out, at least. So I'm going to get my head down and get on with doing that. And you'll be able to see, I'll just put it on time lapse and you'll be able to see what we do. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do. That way you can see what we're doing. If you hit the notification bell as well, then you'll be able to get notified when we put a new video up. We always put our videos up every day at 7 PM. Right, I'm going to get into this. So the first job of the day is this Trek Dual Sport Plus, electric with a Bosch motor. It's got 2 flat tyres and it needs a basic service, so that's the gears, the brakes and the wheels. So we're going to sort that out for him now, and then I'm going to put the kettle on, I think. Done, 2 new tubes and very brief service. I just need to put the dust cap on the front and this one's completed. Today is this Boardman team that customers bought for their son for Christmas. They want me to sort it out and make sure it's safe. However, we've got some issues. So if we look in here, inside, I don't know if I can show you very easily. I'm going to have to see if I can get the gimbal to turn upside down. But if you look in here, there's a ridiculous amount of play in that bushing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to investigate that just to see whether I can fix it. So I hope that hasn't made you feel too ill, all that moving about unnecessarily. So that's my job. I'm going to just flip this upside down and see if I can do anything with that bushing. If I can't, then we're going to have to rethink everything. Okay, so I'm going to get into it. So this part here screws into there, and this part here should be attached. And a sheared. So I did think would I be able to put just a bolt through. Doesn't want to know that because it's got to be that diameter. So I'm going to have a look online and see if I can find another one of these. I wonder if we could JB weld it. Possibly. But it needs to be held so square, otherwise it ain't going to work. Okay, let's have a look and see if we can find one. So they are available, so I'm going to contact the customer and ask him if he's happy for me to order it. It hasn't got to be done till Christmas, so, and I definitely haven't got one. Wow, this morning went really quickly, so I'm going for lunch, and when I get back this afternoon I'll be working on the Rekord. So I'm back from lunch and I'm going to try and get this one so that it's working properly. Definitely needs at least one new tyre, possibly two I should think. Right, going to crack on. Is done. It was a right pig, if I'm honest. So it's got new tyres and tubes on it. I've had to put a new brake fuel and a new cable through, and it's internally routed, and that was a pig. I mean, the first time I got it wrong because I chose too short a length of outer cable, but the second time it just would not go through. But it's done now, brakes all set up, gears all set up, it's ready to go. I'm I've just got a lot of admin to do this afternoon, so I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, we love having you. I hope you're enjoying the content, and we'll see you bright and fresh tomorrow. There's just one more thing to tell you about. You've got less than 2 days to enter our competition to win a cycling computer, 12 months discount card, 10% off everything for 12 months, and a silver bicycle service worth £50. You just need to go to our website, www.CycleRecycleuk.com, click on the link, and that will take you to the competition page. It's free to enter, and you could win all those things. Have an awesome evening. Take care. Bye.